Using an ATM. Maria goes to the bank. She wants to use the ATM. An ATM is a machine that lets people deposit money into bank accounts or withdraw money from accounts. Maria stands in front of the machine. She takes her debit card. She must insert her card into the ATM. She types her PIN. This is short for personal identification number. This number is secret. The screen shows two choices. The first choice is her checking account, which is a bank account that allows her to write checks. The second choice is her savings account, which is a bank account with a higher rate of interest. Maria chooses her savings account. She wants to withdraw money. She types $100. The cash dispenser opens and the machine gives her $100. Maria also asks to see her account balance. The screen shows how much money is in her checking and savings accounts. The ATM prints a receipt. The receipt is a paper that shows her transaction. Maria puts her money, debit card, and receipt in her wallet. She leaves the bank. Visit the ESL Directions website for lesson plans and other resources for your online class of beginner ESL students.